Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to make Facebook Business Manager account. All you have to do is go for Ads Manager. At the left corner, click All Tools and click Add Account Settings. Now, in your profile in the left corner, click the drop down. Now, at the bottom, click Create a Business Account. In this page, enter your business account name, enter your account information, your first name, last name, and business email. After that, click Create. And that's all. This is a very easy way to have a business account. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.